There are days when nature shows itself in perfect clarity, and there are days when it feels more mysterious, more subtle. Today, the air carries a light layer of dust, softening the horizon, blending the colors of earth and sky into one. But even on a day like this, Wadi Al-Naml remains as captivating as ever. Welcome to one of Northwest Jordan's quiet natural escapes. As I begin this walk, you can already feel the calmness of the place. No traffic, no city noise, just open land and a gentle breeze moving through the valley. Wadi Umm Al-Naml isn't widely known internationally, but it has become a favorite spot for many visitors from the Gulf, especially from Saudi Arabia. And once you see it, you'll understand why. Even with the dusty air today, the landscape still stands out. In clear weather, you can see much farther, but today, the limited visibility adds a different kind of beauty. It makes the place feel more intimate, almost like it's wrapped in a quiet veil. It's early April, and spring is still holding on. If you look closely, you'll notice patches of green, small plants, and wildflowers appearing between the rocks. This short season brings life to the valley, even if only for a few weeks. On weekends and holidays, this place becomes lively. You'll often see visitors from Saudi Arabia and other Gulf countries enjoying outdoor meals and spending quality time with family and friends. But even with visitors, the valley never feels crowded. There's always room to find your own quiet corner. Today's conditions are a bit different. There's noticeable dust in the air, which reduces visibility compared to clear days. You might not get those sharp distant views, but in return, you get softer light, less harsh shadows, and a calmer visual tone. If you are planning a visit, it's always good to check the weather. Clear days will give you wide panoramic views, while days like this offer a more atmospheric experience. Even with dusty horizon, the landscape leaves a strong impression. Thank you for walking with me through Wadi Umm Al-Naml. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next adventure.